Hey fam, this is Raven.
This is Julie Samonte, and you're tuned into
Easy Run.
Sa hindi inaasahang pagtatagpo ng mga mundo. May minsan lang na nagdugtong, damang-dama na ang ugong nito.
Di pa ba sapat ang sakit at lahat na hindi ko ipararanas sa'yo? Ipinupunyak ka ng iyong mata. Ano yun? Next. Sumisigaw ng pagsinta.
And you can keep me inside a pocket of your ripped jeans. In the you would hold me. Wait for me to come home. Sorry, Ed Sheeran, if you're watching.
Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. But it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive.
Sana'y di magmaliw ang pagtingin. Kay daling sabihin, kay hirap gawin at sa mundong walang katiyakan. Sabay nating gawing kahapon ang bukas.
Ikaw at ako, pinag-isa. Tayong dalawa, may kanya-kanya. Sa isa't isa, tayo ay sumasandal. Baba. Georgia, wrap me in all your wants. In my arms, oh, let me hold you. I never let you go again like I did. Oh, I used to say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared. All the things that could go wrong along the way, you get by with a smile. You can't win at everything, but you can try.
Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors and they don't want you anymore. This sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. 1, 2, 3. Iiwan na ang bawat sandali. Iiwan na ang bawat pagtingin. Isisigaw ang nais pang sabihin. Sa kawalan, walang ililihim. Sa lati, tahimik, walang makaririnig. Malalim o mababaw man ang aking nararamdaman. lahat ng ito dito'y iiwan. At di niya kailanman malalaman. Sa lati aanurin lahat ng kinikimkim.
Pambihira, muli tayong nagkita sa isang lugar nang di inakala. Pambihira, pa rin ang iyong karisma, ang iyong ngiting kakaiba. Isa milyong taong akin ang sasalubong. Bakit ikaw pa? Bakit ngayon pa? Sana'y pwede pa tayong magsimula, o sana'y meron pa akong magawa. Hindi ka na pakakawalan, di na ako mawawala, o sana'y pwede pa, o pwede pa, o pwede pa.
Hey fam, this is Julie Samonte. I'm also a proud member of OPM, the organisasyon ng mga Pilipinong mga awit. And you can stream my latest single, it's called Salati, in your favorite music streaming app. And we'd like to thank all of the people who were part of this year's Linggo ng Musikang Pilipino. Thank you for watching. Thank you for engaging with social media posts of OPM. But if you want to learn more about how we can promote OPM, sariling atin na music, please follow OPM. And let's continue to celebrate Filipino music even after this month. And just enjoy.
Hey fam, this is Raven Asidera, and I'm a very proud member of Organisasyon ng Pilipinong Mga Awit. And you can definitely go ahead and stream my single, my latest single, which is Pambira, Sana'y Pwede Pa, now available in all digital platforms. And again, thank you for celebrating Linggo ng Musikang Pilipino 2026 with us. At ito ay simula pa lang of celebration for this year. So we hope that we can find you in different venues where we celebrate Filipino music. Remember someone today with Raven and Julie.
Bye, fam.
Bye, fam.
Hey, thanks for watching.
For more exclusive videos
And artist interviews.
You can check out all our videos by clicking here.
And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too.
links are in the description below.